Making sense of letters, the power of the body. Hello everyone and welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today we're going to dive into the very heart of letter writing, the body of the letter. This section plays a crucial role as it conveys the main message or information. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's define what we mean by the body of a letter. It's the part of the letter that comes after the greeting and before the closing. This is where you convey the purpose of your letter, share details, ask questions, or express your thoughts and feelings. Think of it as the main dish of a meal, the part everyone's looking forward to. The body of a letter serves various purposes. It can be used to inform, request, persuade, or express emotions. It's where you present your thoughts or messages in a clear and organized manner. Remember, the key here is to remain focused on your purpose and stay on topic. The organization of the body can greatly influence the effectiveness of your letter. You should aim to have a clear beginning, middle, and end. The beginning often reintroduces the subject and purpose. The middle provides the main information, arguments, or details. And the end should summarize the key points or signal the letter's closing. One of the most important aspects of writing the body of a letter is to engage your reader. This could mean using clear and concise language, showing empathy if you're addressing a sensitive issue, or using persuasive language if you're trying to make an argument. Your tone should align with the purpose of your letter and your relationship with the recipient. And that's a wrap on the body of a letter. I hope you found this helpful and that you feel more confident in constructing your own letter bodies now. Remember, a well-written body helps convey your message effectively and engages your reader. Practice writing different types of letters to improve your skills. Until next time, keep practicing and happy writing.